Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you on how to transfer your funds within the BITGET exchange app so you can start trading on futures or on spot. So for example, if you are having money on your spot and want to start trading futures, I'm going to show you how to transfer your funds within the BIT exchange app. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the notification button so you can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is your BITGET exchange app homepage. So this is what you'll be seeing. Below here you'll be seeing your home, markets, trade, futures and assets. So right now all you'll be needing to do is to click on this asset right here. You go ahead and click on assets. So once you click on assets, you will be seeing overview right here. So you can just go ahead and click on futures right here. You click on futures. You click on futures right here. So once you click on it, you will be seeing trade here, and you will also be seeing transfer. So right now you click on transfer right here because you want to be transferring your funds. So once you click on transfer, now you're going to be asked, do you want to transfer from spot to futures? So if you want to transfer from spot to futures, you can leave it. But if you don't want to transfer from spot to futures, you want to transfer from futures to spot, then you can click on this little icon right here. Then if you click on it, you will see that it has been transferred from futures now to spot. So right now your currency, right now you can see here it's BTC that is here, it's showing BTC. Let's say you want to transfer USDT, you can go ahead and click on this icon right here. If you click on it, then you can select BTC right here, or you can go ahead and search for any token you want to transfer. So if it's USDT you want to search, you click on it, and now you can see USDT has appeared right here. So right here you want to be entering the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Now if you want to transfer the whole of your funds, let's say you have $100, you can type in $100, or you can use the slider. Then after you've used it, then you click on confirm. After you've transferred and you've chosen the amount of money you want to transfer, you can then click on confirm right here. Once you click on confirm, your money will be transferred from futures or from spot to your futures, and when you come down to your futures right here, your available balance will be reflecting at this point. So guys, this is the simplest way on how to transfer your funds within your BITGET exchange app. Alright, if you're still watching this video, thank you for watching this video up to this time. And if you're watching you don't have an account with BITGET, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. There will also be a link in the description below to our Telegram channel. Do well to check it out. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.